This is a video of the Atlas orrery. What you're seeing right now is the clock itself with the celestial sphere removed and all of the components for the orrery folded upward in anticipation of the globe being put onto the clock mechanism. Right now what you're looking at is the clock with the sphere off, and the orrery has been fully deployed. You can see that these can fold upward, and they are folded upward so that one can put the globe over the orrery, and the globe's mouth opening at the bottom is only as big as this. So that's the reason why these three planets, which is Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, are all able to be folded upward. Now I'll just do a quick turnaround so you can see the entire clock. The clock weighs in at about 28 pounds or so. The lion's share of the weight is in the statuary. Since these are solid bronze, they're not hollow. So they come in at somewhere in the vicinity of about 6-7 pounds apiece. And here's a demonstration of the orrery. The clock is equipped with a demo function, which is this very, very tiny little lever here. And what's interesting is that it only operates in one direction, counterclockwise, which means that if you were for some reason to actually have the planets and stars correctly aligned, as they would be in reality, once you do this demo function, you can't go back. So I don't think that this clock was ever meant to obviously do that. It was just a toy, an expensive toy, but just a toy. So to demonstrate, this goes counterclockwise, and you can see the movement of the wheels in the orrery, and the moon moving around the earth. It's pretty tough to get to. That's why I'm having such a hard time here. It's really not meant to be demonstrated for a long period of time, but it does work, and I have actually cycled this through a complete year. It takes quite some time.